Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a unboxing to share with you, and this is the beauty kit from Feel Unique. You might not be able to see everything in there, but I'll go through it one by one, showing you what I chose this month. So if you're new to Feel Unique's beauty kit, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in more detail, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Feel Unique Beauty Kit is a sample service. It's only available in the UK at the moment, but I have seen, I think it was on, was it Twitter or Instagram, a reply to a comment from Feel Unique saying that they are going to look into doing it outside the UK, hopefully in the near future. So that'd be amazing, because I know a load of you are always in the comments saying it's not fair, when can they ship out the UK? Because Feel Unique do ship internationally. It's just their sample services, the pick and mix, and also this beauty kit, they don't do it. So yeah, so hopefully that will come true. So in order to be able to access the beauty kit, you need to have an account with Feel Unique, and you can only choose your samples once a month. So say for instance you purchase your 5 samples, say on the 1st of July, you will not be able to do it until the 1st or the 2nd of August. When the sample service first came out, I was quite shocked at the price, because if you didn't already know, they also have another service called Pick and Mix, which has been running for a couple of years now, and I really love it. Those samples are free and you just pay £3.95 shipping, which then gets credited back onto your account. This beauty kit costs £12.95 a month and then £3.95 shipping, which then gets credited back onto your account. So what is the difference between Pick and Mix, which is free, or the beauty kit, which costs £12.95? At the start, there wasn't much of a difference because there seemed to be quite a lot of crossovers. So I thought the beauty kit wasn't all that, and it's not something that I would look into regularly. But over the last couple of months, things have changed and they've got amazing products on there. There's no set date when they release their products. If it's an amazing product, then it can tend to sell out fast. But yeah, the difference between this Pick and Mix and the beauty kit is essentially the sizing. With the beauty kit, you can have like 30ml samples, or you might even get something like a 5 or 10ml sample of a serum, which is worth around £30–40. Over the last couple of months, there's definitely been more of a clear divide between the two services, but I definitely recommend you checking the Pick and Mix out as well, because you do get them for free. So when you sign up to create a Feel Unique account, once you spend £75, you then get £5 credited onto your account, which you can use towards the beauty kit. But as soon as I spot amazing brands pop up, or sizing, you know, like a full size, I think I've got a full size eyeliner here from Clinique. As soon as I find any products like that I get excited about, I will show you on my Instagram page and my Facebook page, which is Diaryofabeautygeek. The details are in my descriptions. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what I chose. The first product I chose is something I've already got. I've got the full-size version of this, and this is Clinique Super Defense and SPF 40. This is 15ml, and to buy this alone, which you can do at this size, is around £8–10. The cost of the beauty kit is £12.99, so you can imagine totting up everything that I've got. It is well above what I paid. So yeah, I absolutely love this. It's a really lovely moisturiser. If you tried the Moisture Surge, it's very similar, as in it's very lightweight, you only need a tiny bit, it absorbs well into your skin and leaves your skin feeling really lovely and soft. But this has got added SPF, and 40 is a good amount. I prefer 50, but I will take 40, as I've already tried it and I do really like it. I thought I'd get a little one. So is that. Next I got a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I wasn't sure how much concealer I'd receive. This is mini, but I am really impressed. I got it in shade Vanilla Light. Look at that. It is identical to the full-size version. It looks exactly the same. I have got the full-size version and I love it. Oh my god, it's my new favourite concealer. Look. It's fab, isn't it? Really good. I am so chuffed with it. It's just so cute. I just think miniatures are really cute. So again, that is really handy to downsize your makeup bag, you know, if you're going away for the night or something, or on holiday. No, I'm really chuffed with that, really chuffed. They've still got a load of these on their website as well. So there's that. Next I got a Clinique liquid eyeliner. Now this looks full size to me. Again, completely shocked, I wasn't expecting it. But this is a Pretty Easy liquid eyeliner pen. Can you see there? And there's the nib. It's a brush nib, which is fab. Love brush nibs. It's not as pigmented as I'd like. It looks almost brown, but it's not, it's black. That might be quite nice just to do more of a subtle look, you know? It's nice, I love the brush strokes, but it's not as black as I'd like it normally. But I'm still chuffed I've got it. As I said, you know, it'd be nice to do maybe more like to use it for a smoky eye where I can smoke it out a little bit. But yeah, Clinique liquid eyeliner. Next I got an Urban Decay eyeliner, and this is a coral eyeliner, and this is the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in shade 0. You've got some information about it there and lots of colours. I've got 2 of these. I think I've got it in a brown and a blue. Is it LSD or Mainline and Whiskey? I don't know. Anyway, this is 0, so it's a black one. Compared to the one I've got, it's a mini, but it's a really good size mini, isn't it? See, it is nice. It is really nice. Ooh, can you see there? So yeah, so it's just a black eye pencil. So I use this to do tight lining around my eyes mainly. There, you can see there. But yeah, no, I do like these pencils. Again, you know, I have tried them before, so I knew what I was getting. So yeah, so I got a black eye pencil. And lastly, I got a little Huda Beauty lipstick. What is this? This is a liquid matte lipstick in shade Wifey. Maybe you can see better there. This is so sweet. This is really, really sweet. I do love the shade again. It's like the perfect nude for me. It's quite liquidy upon application, and then it dries down then and it stains. It does stain. I really, really like it. That is such a gorgeous shade, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. So those are all my items, so I just gathered them all up. So these are all the items that I chose for this month's beauty kit. 5 in all. The beauty kit cost £12.95 and then £3.95 shipping, but that gets credited back onto my account. So I've got a Super Defense SPF 40 Clinique moisturiser. I got a mini travel size Urban Decay eyeliner. I've got a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I've got what looks like a full size Clinique liquid eyeliner, and I've got a gorgeous liquid lipstick in shade Wifey by Huda Beauty. These are definitely my favourite choices from the beauty kit. Definitely. They're all brands I really like. They're, you know, as I said, a few of them I've tried before, but I'm just really, really chuffed that I managed to pick them out. I did see them after I chose my last lot, but I had to wait a couple of weeks until I can choose. But they were there, so I was happy. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you chosen any products from Beauty Kit? Have you chosen similar to mine? Or are you watching this, learning all about Beauty Kit for the first time? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.